Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say, those few hot, sticky weeks right in the middle of summer are my most dreaded of the entire year. There's nothing that seems to take the edge off besides a quick dip at the beach or maybe sitting in front of a fan in your gym shorts drinking an ice cold beverage. That is, of course, unless you have air conditioning. With summer upon us, I decided to pick up this LG 7000 BTU portable air conditioner and see if it could keep me cool during the heat wave. Here's how it went. This LG portable air conditioner is a standalone air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan in one, capable of cooling rooms up to 300 square feet. This unit features multiple fan speeds, an easy to set on-off timer, and an LCD remote so you can make temperature adjustments from the comfort of your own couch. This air conditioner features multiple washable and removable air filters and a clean filter light, as well as easy roll casters to roll from room to room, and an auto restart feature which automatically turns the unit back on in case there's ever a power outage. The most tedious part of getting this air conditioner up and running is installing the included window venting kit. It works on any horizontal or vertical window openings up to 50 inches and requires a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and a few extra minutes to get it fitted in just right. Once complete, it's as simple as plugging it in and pushing a button for a cool Arctic blast to begin. All three functions of this LG portable air conditioner work great. I use the on-off timer all the time for shutting the machine down in the middle of the night, and the washable filter and clean filter light are great for cleaning and routine maintenance. With its long list of features, easy rolling portability, and simple remote control ease of use, it's easy to see why the LG 7000 BTU air conditioner is Family Handyman approved. This thing almost works too good. For more great products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.